When we think of tornadoes, we usually imagine a single powerful funnel tearing across the landscape. But sometimes, nature does something far more unusual and mysterious. Instead of one tornado, a storm can produce two at the same time, spinning side by side like twin giants. These rare events are known as twin tornadoes, and they reveal just how complex and powerful severe storms can be. To understand how twin tornadoes form, we first need to look inside a type of storm called a supercell. Supercells are the most powerful kind of thunderstorms on Earth. Inside them is a rotating column of air known as a mesocyclone. This rotation is created when warm, moist air from the ground collides with cooler air higher in the atmosphere. As the winds change direction and speed with height, the storm begins to spin. Normally, this rotation tightens and forms a single tornado. But in certain situations, the rotating system inside the storm becomes unstable. Instead of producing one funnel, the circulation can split. When that happens, two separate tornadoes can form from the same storm at nearly the same time. Sometimes these twin tornadoes appear next to each other, both connected to the same storm cloud. In other cases, they form from different parts of the storm, but move along similar paths. Scientists often observe this phenomenon when a supercell experiences a process called vortex breakdown. In simple terms, the rotating air column divides into smaller spinning sections, each capable of forming its own tornado. Another possibility involves satellite tornadoes. These are smaller tornadoes that orbit around a larger main tornado. From a distance, they can look like twin tornadoes moving together across the landscape, creating an incredible but dangerous sight. Meteorologists study these events using radar, storm-chasing observations, and high-speed atmospheric models. Although twin tornadoes are rare, they highlight the unpredictable nature of severe weather. Each storm is like a giant natural laboratory, constantly changing and evolving. For researchers, these events offer valuable clues about how tornadoes form, grow, and sometimes divide. In the end, twin tornadoes remind us that the atmosphere is far more complex than it appears. What looks like chaos in the sky is actually the result of precise physical forces interacting in powerful ways. And as science continues to study these storms, we come one step closer to understanding and predicting some of the most dramatic weather events on Earth.